Imagine making more money while you sleep than when you are actively working. Most people assume building a reliable passive income portfolio requires hundreds of thousands of dollars. But what if you could start generating real monthly cash flow right now with just $50? The reality is that the traditional investing model of waiting months for dividends is completely dead. Today, smart investors are using a hidden matrix of assets across the US, UK, and European markets to build a consistent monthly paycheck. Before you jump into the first high-yielding asset you see, you need to understand that the single biggest mistake beginners make is chasing the highest percentage yield. A massive dividend often signals a company in deep financial trouble, which is a classic trap. Instead, the real secret to sustainable wealth lies in something called real estate investment trusts, or REITs. In the US market, these are legally required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income straight back to their shareholders. Take a look at a powerhouse like Realty Income, which actually trades under the single letter O on the New York Stock Exchange. They are literally nicknamed the Monthly Dividend Company. They own thousands of commercial properties leased to recession-proof giants like grocery stores and dollar stores. Right now, they pay out a reliable dividend every single month, yielding around 5 to 6% annually. This means your cash flow starts hitting your brokerage account within 30 days of your very first share purchase. What most people don't know is how to replicate this exact same monthly income strategy over in the UK and European markets. If you only invest in US stocks, you are completely exposing your monthly paycheck to wild currency fluctuations. To protect your capital, you need to diversify across the Atlantic, but the UK market does things a little bit differently. Most individual UK companies only pay dividends twice a year, which completely ruins your dream of a consistent monthly cash flow. To bridge this gap, intermediate investors utilize specialized UK income funds and exchange-traded funds, commonly known as ETFs. For instance, the iShares UK Dividend ETF trades on the London Stock Exchange and holds 50 of the highest-yielding companies in the UK market. By pooling these companies together, the fund structures a massive yield of over 4%. This gives you immediate exposure to British blue-chip giants without having to manually manage dozens of different stocks yourself. Before we unlock the European market secrets, hit that subscribe button right now if you want to master daily financial insights and build true passive freedom. Now, the surprising part comes next when we look at the continental European markets. Europe is home to some of the most stable, cash-rich infrastructure and utility corporations on the entire planet. But just like the UK, European corporations rarely pay out on a monthly schedule. To solve this, you can look at the Wisdom Tree Europe Equity Income ETF, which focuses heavily on high-yield European companies. This fund targets robust financial and industrial giants across Germany, France, and Switzerland, providing an annualized yield of nearly 5%. If you want to turbocharge your monthly cash flow even further, you need to look into a highly advanced asset class known as business development companies, or BDCs. A prime example in the US market is Main Street Capital, trading under the ticker MAIN. BDCs act like private equity firms for mid-sized businesses, providing them with loans and taking equity stakes. Because they operate on a unique legal structure, Main Street Capital pays a monthly dividend that regularly yields over 6%, alongside extra bonus dividends throughout the year. The ultimate strategy for beginners is to take all of these monthly payments and set them to automatically reinvest. This creates a powerful compounding snowball effect where your dividends buy more shares, which then generate even larger dividends next month. By blending US REITs, UK dividend funds, European income ETFs, and US BDCs, you build an unstoppable diversified monthly income machine. Look out for our next video posted daily on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok.